Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a coffee exfoliator at home, step by step. This natural scrub offers fantastic benefits for your skin. It gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a smoother, more radiant complexion. The caffeine can also help temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite, while antioxidants protect your skin. It is a simple, effective, and affordable way to enhance your skincare routine, using ingredients you likely already have. Now let us gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need about 1/2 cup of used coffee grounds. These are perfect for exfoliation. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of a nourishing carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, to bind everything together and moisturize your skin. For an extra boost of hydration, you might also want to include 1 teaspoon of honey. Finally, make sure you have a small mixing bowl and a spoon ready. Creating your coffee exfoliator is incredibly easy. First, take your 1/2 cup of used coffee grounds and place them into your mixing bowl. Then, pour in the 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil. Stir these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until they form a consistent, spreadable paste. If you are adding honey, now is the time to mix in that 1 teaspoon until it is fully incorporated. You can always add a little more oil if the mixture seems too dry. Applying your homemade coffee exfoliator is a refreshing experience. In the shower, gently massage the scrub onto damp skin using small, circular motions, focusing on areas that need extra attention. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. For best results, use this natural scrub 1 or 2 times per week. Any leftover exfoliator can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, keeping it fresh for your next use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.